In my previous video we created the S3 bucket, and it's time to create database. In AWS we have different kind of storage. If you need a relational database, you can use Amazon Aurora or RDS or Redshift, but here we need a key value database, and I will use DynamoDB. But we have different database in AWS, and you can use in different situations, and you can see all use cases here. For example, if you need social networking or need recommendation engine, use Neptune. Also, that's it. It's what about, you can use Redshift or other databases. For example, if here you search for RDS, you can create a relational database. Simply create database, use a standard or easy create. I will go with a standard, and for example MySQL. Here you will input the database cluster, username and password, and after that you can log into your database. But here I want to create a DynamoDB database. But before creating, let me create database. After that I will speak about DynamoDB. Here in DynamoDB table, I will create a table, call it employee, and for partition key I will use ID. That's it. And after that I create the table. My database is created, and it's a serverless database, and it's not required create a database. You only create a table and put your item and attribute in that table. You don't, because it is a serverless database, and you do not need to manage underlying storage, or don't worry about scaling. It stores your data across availability zone, and it have redundantly access across availability zone. It is massively scalable, highly performance, and has a millisecond response time. That's it for this scenario. I will use DynamoDB, and I created it. Status is active, and you can explore it. You can explore table item here. After creating data, you can see here we have some data.